Good morning, student. In this video, we are going to study about the chapter endocrine system, the topic different kinds of endocrine glands. Different kinds of endocrine glands. There are different kinds of endocrine glands present in our body, such as thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, testes, ovaries. But out of this we have to read only 4 types of glands, endocrine glands, which are as thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pituitary glands and pancreas. So first gland that we are going to learn is thyroid gland. So what is thyroid gland? The introductions of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of our body. It is the largest endocrine gland of our body. Location of this gland, it is located at the neck region, at the base of our larynx, that means our voice box. Structurally, it is bilobular, that means it has 2 lobes and both the lobes are situated on the either side of our voice box, or our foot pipe, and connected to each other by a band that is called isthmus. Function: thyroid gland secretes a hormone that is called thyroxine, which mainly contains iodine. And thyroxine, being a hormone, controls the general metabolic activities of our bodies, general metabolism, growth and development of our body. As we already know that now hormones are needed by our body very small quantity and in adequate quantity. More than that and less than that quantity can cause problems in our body or disorders in our bodies. So whenever endocrine gland releases less hormone than the adequate amount of the hormone needed by our body, then the condition is called hyposecretion. On the other hand, when an endocrine gland secretes more than that of the adequate amount of hormone needed by our body, then it is called hypersecretions. So just like other endocrine glands, there is a symptoms or the problems may created due to the hyposecretions or hypersecretions of thyroxine hormone in our body. So first, let us know now what happens when thyroxine hormone secreted in our body in less quantity. That means in hyposecretions of thyroxine. In hyposecretions of thyroxine can cause a disease in our body, that is general goiter. Generally goiter. Goiter is actually the enlargement of our thyroid gland in the neck region. That means due to this, our neck region swells up. Lack of iodine in our food. On the other hand, in adult, another kind of disease may cause, that is called Mixodema. And due to this, the activities of an adult person's become sluggish. That means all the metabolic activities, physical activities become slower. That is called sluggishness. On the other hand, in child, due to the deficiency of the thyroxine hormone, a disease may cause, that is called creatinism. The symptoms of the creatinism is the slow development, slow growth of mental and physical. That means slow physical and mental growth. That means due to the deficiency of the thyroxine hormones, the physical growth and mental growth get retarded, and disease is called creatinism. On the other hand, when thyroxine hormone secreted in more amount than its adequate amount, the condition is called hypersecretions. As we already know that thyroxine hormones controls our general metabolisms, our growth and development. So due to this, the rate of the metabolic activities rises. That means the heartbeat rises, pulse rate rises, that leads to the nervousness, restlessness, or bulging of eyes. Okay, that is all about the thyroid glands. I hope all of you understand. Thank you.